Welcome to Powcast Sports. Boom, boom, pow!
Kasi kami sa Buanga, kung makikita nyo, nandiyan ang mga talents. So, ang Valientes is, we want to develop pa. Gusto pa namin, hindi lang sa weightlifting or sa ibang sports. Gusto din namin sa basketball na patunayan na kaya ng mga Sambugueño makipaglaban sa ibang bansa.
We're here at King City. Ayan. And of course, Taza Coffee. Press conference ito. Poster dito. Ang sarap ng kape ah. Nice.
Welcome sa press conference ng Sambuanga Valientes. Maraming salamat, Powcast, sa suporta.
Okay, so kasama ko si Coach Joseph.
Yo, what's up mga ka-Powcast? Good day sa inyong lahat.
Ito kilala ko to, player to, pero ikaw ang coach ngayon.
Nasa management side tayo ngayon.
Manager na pala to. Promoted na.
Vice President of Operations.
Vice President pa, ibang klase na. Pero ano ngayon channel mo? Promote natin.
Please support Big Fundamental Basketball. Yan, abangan yan mga Lods.
Magte-training sana ako ng basketball, pwede ba? Kaya ba?
Kaya pa naman. Pero boxing muna.
Boxing muna. Speaking of basketball, di ko masyado kilala yung mga players eh. Baka pwede mong pakilala sa akin.
Ituturo kita pa.
Sige.
Pakilala natin sa isa. Let's go. Siyempre, before unahin natin si Coach. Ito yung pumalit sa akin eh, kaya na-promote ako. Salamat, Coach. Anyways, this is the head coach na, actually siya na yung head coach last year sa ASEAN Basketball League. This is Coach Bobby Dick de los Santos. Formerly player din ng San Sebastian and FEU nung kondisyon pa siya. Pero ngayon pwede pa naman, Coach, kaya pa.
Pwede pa rin siguro, I'm not really sure. Tingnan natin.
By the way, Coach, it's 6 days para sa start ng TAT. Kamusta yung preparation ng team?
Well, with several tune-up games, maraming maganda nangyari and may mga konting problema rin. Pero it's really natural it's part of the process sa ganung situation. Well, pero ako honestly, I believe na come April 19 sa first game natin, I think the team will be okay. Will be ready to play.
You know. So, sa first game natin, Coach, what are our chances sa tingin nyo?
Well, always yan mahirap magsabi kasi it's a first game, din natin na-scout yung kalaban. Well, vice versa, ganon din sila. Pero as long as we will just execute well during the game and play good defense, I think may pag-asa tayo.
Yun. Sige, move tayo ha. Alright, so yung unang player na introduce natin, ito. This is my guy.
What's up, man?
Formerly player of Benil, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Could you introduce yourself a little
Oh, how you doing? My name's AJ Benson. I'm 27 years old, and I'm currently playing for Zamboanga Valientes, and hopefully to make a good run.
Alright. So, how excited are you? I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is your first Pro League, right?
Second.
Second. So, how excited are you for the first leg of the Asian tournament?
I mean, I'm excited, man, but I'm just trying to be level-headed. At the end of the day, I'm here to play, so I'm kind of just trying to maintain a stable mentality. So, I'm excited. I'm looking forward to it. Show what I can do.
Alright. Thanks, man.
Appreciate that, man.
Okay, next up, former UAP player of NU Bulldogs, none other than Med Salim. So Med, being a homegrown, gaano ka-special na makakalaro ngayon, representing your city and of course representing the country?
Yes, of course, masaya ako kasi kinuha ko dito para maglaro ng basketball. Team Zamboanga, representing Zamboanga City and of course Philippines. I'm so happy to be here sa team na to.
Alright. Okay, ito naman ngayon yung kumbaga napaka-loyal to sa Zamboanga Valientes eh. Ever since andito na to, none other than the X Factor, Jerome Ferrer. Rom, siguro pang-anim mo na to o ika-7 tour sa Zamboanga Valientes. So, gaano ka excited? Kasi kahit na lagi ka nang naglalaro sa Valientes, pero for this first leg of the Asian tournament, gaano ka excited?
Sobra, 100%. Excited na ako. Kasi first time ko punta ng China eh.
So, balita ko, ikaw daw yung import stopper eh. Kaya mo ba yung mga 7-footer na import?
Kaya, yung China, dati natalo na sa amin yun, 3x3. 3x3. Sa 3x3, yun sila. Nanalo namin yun.
Sige, kasi ganito. Sabi mo, loyal ka sa Zamboanga. Loyal ba rin ba siya sa partner?
Loyal ka pa rin ba sa partner mo?
Siyempre, yun, nag-iisa eh.
Okay, love you muna sa partner.
I love you.
Ayun sabihin.
Saan doon?
Abigail Bringas.
Player reveal. Ito, bago to eh. Rookie to. Yung ating sharpshooter na si Jewish Gracia. Noy, siyempre alam naming first time mo to. Ano yung naging preparation mo para at least paglaro natin ngayon sa The Asian Tournament is makakasabay ka sa mga foreign players?
Siyempre, bago ako ngayon, ano man ibibigay ni coach, igagawa ko din dun sa loob ng court. Ibigay ko lang lahat kung anong makakaya ko sa laro.
Pero yung pinaka-importanting question eh, single or double?
Double!
Akala ko ba matapang sa court? Double na double. Alright. Sa ating player reveal, ito gumawa to ng history para sa first win ng Zamboanga Valientes sa PBA 3x3. That's why tawag sa kanya the Chabacano Hero. So Job Alcantara. Job, syempre lagi na tayo sa Valientes. Ilang taon na tayo magkasama. Pero what's the difference ng previous mga liga natin compared sa inaugural leg ngayon ng The Asian Tournament?
Kasi ito mas exciting to, mas challenging kasi usually naglalaro ko, mga kasama ko, mga kalaban ko, mga kapong Pinoy lang, yung mga kalaban namin, mga Pilipino lang. Ngayon, challenging to kasi yung mga kalaban natin, sa ibang countries na, mga player ng Asia. Kumbaga, magagaling na to sa mga ibang lugar. Especially ngayon, challenging to kasi yung mga kasama ko, mga magagaling dito sa Pilipinas, especially may mga imports na galing ibang bansa.
Ayun, all the best, Job! Alright, yung next naman natin, speaking of loyalty, probably this is the most loyal player ng Zamboanga Valientes, none other than the Tausug hero, Das Esa. Das, you have been with the team for so long, since siguro pinakaunang team na naglaro dito sa Manila. Andiyan ka na. How grateful you are para sa support ng Zamboanga Valientes sa karir mo?
Malaking bagay sa akin at isa sa mga pangarap namin na makalaro dito sa team para sa Zamboanga at para sa akin pinaka-importante ipakita yung mga Zamboangueños na lumalaban sa mga kahit saan laro at supportado lahat kahit anong bagay.
Yun, thank you very much, Das. Good luck. Next up, yung pinaka-veterano pero pinaka-bata sa team. The Mighty Termite, Rudy Linganay. Rud, alam ko kumbaga yung experience mo sa basketball, PBA, ABL, and so many leagues. So, syempre, maglalaro tayo ngayon. Ito, first leg ng The Asian Tournament. Ano pa ba ang pwedeng maibigay ng isang The Boy?
First of all, syempre, thankful pa rin ako nakabalik ako dito sa International League yan. So, halos same lang naman eh. Yung ABL, professional dito sa Pilipinas, may mga imports din. So, para sa akin, yung experience ko, ma-share ko rin sa mga kasama ko. Syempre, mas madali pag isang team kayo sa yung chemistry nyo, sama-sama mas madali eh. Mas madali yung basketball para sa inyo. So, para sa akin, ako bigay ko lang mga best ko. Ako, as a veterano, siguro mas nagdagan ko pa yung effort ko and leadership ko sa loob.
Yun, maraming nagtatanong kasi pag naglalaro ka, parang bata pa rin eh. Pwede ba daw pa age reveal?
Next time nasa 80 na.
Hindi na lang. Alright. Thank you, Rudy. Alright, chillin tayo ngayon dito. Ito, request to ni Mike Tolomie. Dapat chill lang yung natin, yung ambience natin. By the way, no need for further introduction. Mike Tolomie in the house. Siya yung pinakasikat. Former UAP champion and former Gilas, Mike Tolomie. Mike, you have been playing for a couple of years na sa PBA. And eto naman ngayon, panibagong challenge mo, which is a Pro International League. Ano sa tingin mo madadala mo experience galing PBA that could help itong campaign ng Zamboanga Valientes sa TAT?
Siguro is yung una, leadership sa court. Kasi maraming mga bata sa team, lalong-lalo na yung mga locals ng Zamboanga City. So, and may experience din naman sila sa college, pero syempre sa pro level, kahit pa paano, kailangan pa rin talaga nila ng guidance. So, doon na pumapasok siguro yung role ko dito sa team na hindi lang syempre sa pagdating sa scoring or what, siguro on and off the court, kailangan pa rin na ginaguide yung mga bata.
Makikita ba natin ulit yung mga Magic Mike moves?
Glimpse lang.
Magic Mike mo, sumasayaw ba yan? Magic Mike eh. Hindi, ako may tanong ako. Yung Zamboanga Valientes at saka nagpo-promote ng basketball ng boxing. Ikaw na lahat sa basketball, na-try mo na. Wala bang naghahamon sa'yo ng boxing? Pwede na yung promote ni boss eh. Open ka ba dyan? Kasi yung ano natin, di ba? Basketball player, yung lalaban, yung Snow Padua at saka Carlos Will. Open ka ba?
Sa ngayon, hindi, focus muna ako sa basketball. Kasi siguro pag pa-retire na, baka pwede na yun. Kasi
Magaling sumagot to. Pwede. Anyway, shoutout muna sa mga kapaukas natin.
shoutout sa Boom Boom Pao sa Paukas Sports. God bless sa inyong lahat. More power.
Yun. Pwede bang sabay na lang sila? Alright, kasama natin ngayon. Ito, dalawa. Medyo lamang lang ako ng konti sa kanila sa ligo, pero mas gwapo talaga sila. So on my right is a lately lang, no, champion sa NCAA, the King Lion, the Chabacano Lion, Peter Alfaro. Pete, syempre kagagaling mo lang sa championship or kayo nag-champion sa NCAA. So sa tingin mo ba madadala mo yung championship culture dyan sa Zambeda all the way dito sa Zamboanga Valientes para sa campaign natin ng the Asian Tournament?
I think yes, for sure. Kasi sa Zambeda kasi the program we've built there is for us to be ready sa international games and sa pro level. So I think based on my experience for how many years sa college, I think it's gonna be easier for me to bring that culture here in Zamboanga Valientes, knowing that our coaches are smarter and my teammates can adjust fully to the game sa international. Yes.
Totoo ba yung sinasabi nila, lahat daw ng mga taga Zamboanga, pogi?
Oo naman, coach. Parang si coach lang yun. Wapo din.
Eh yun, no? Kasama ko naman on my left is Kevin Lab. I mean, Nick Evans. Just kidding. So, Nick, you've been a playing professional in overseas for so long, and you have tons of experience. So, what are the experiences or leadership that you could bring to this team since you are the main import of this team?
Like you said, this is my 14th year playing professional basketball, so just bringing a sense of work ethic every day in practice, and then also just building chemistry with my teammates, you know, the ability to pass the ball out of the post, the ability to set up good cuts, just hopefully being able to be an anchor in the post, but then also being able to draw attention as the main import and finding great quality players here, getting them good looks from just drawing attention being the main import.
Do you have any shout-outs?
Big Antonio Hester from last year's team. That's my boy, and just excited to get to play some of these teams that have recruited me over the years. Some personal matchups I'm looking forward to playing against. Definitely some unfinished business within the Asian Basketball League over the last couple of years. I've had some offers, a couple situations didn't go the way I wanted, so I'm looking forward to being able to play some of these teams and show them what I can bring to the table.
All right. Thank you, man. Thank you very much. All right. I'm here with my boy, Frankie Johnson. Frankie, you are the shooter of this team, if I'm not mistaken. Again, sorry. I'm here with my boy, Frankie Johnson. Frankie, you're a known shooter, a tough defender, and a competitor for the teams that you have played. Now, going to this, the Asian tournament, do you think you could still perform like the way you used to perform in every games that you play?
Yeah, man, you know, I'm always ready. You know, we've been preparing a lot, really hard. You know, we had, I think, about 5 or 6 tune-up games. Everybody's getting some chemistry. So, like how the team's looking. As far as me, you know, I'm always ready. I'm putting in my work. So, you know, I'm excited to get out there and start playing.
All right. Thank you very much. Okay, I'm here now with the second import of the team, a former FEU player and my guy, Fatih Mohammed. Fatih, coming this first leg of the Asian tournament, you will go up against bigger imports and more experienced import. But what do you think is your edge playing against these imports?
First of all, I just want to thank Zamboanga Valientes team for giving this opportunity, and that's my first experience as a pro. So whenever I'm there, I'm always ready. Whenever they put me inside, I'll do my best. Like especially defense, I'll do what I can to help the team. Yeah.
All right, Fatih, all the best.
Shout out Boom Pau Sport.
Boom boom pow.
Boom Boom Pau Sport.
Boom boom pow.
Boom Boom Pau.
Pow cast sport.
Boom Boom Pau Sport.
Twice. Boom boom pow.
Boom Boom Pau Sport.
Okay lang.
To Boom Boom Pau Sport.
And lastly, our third import, a former UAAP MVP and a champion with UP Fighting Maroons, Malik Diouf. Malik, you have tons of experience playing for UAAP, and now finally you'll be playing on a professional league. So how excited you are playing for Zamboanga Valientes?
Really excited, you know, after finishing my college career, having a pro team right away is something blessing. So I'm really excited right now to play for Zamboanga Valientes, and can't wait to play my first game.
So do you have any shout-outs?
Shout out to Zamboanga City, UP community, Filipino fans, and you know, my family, my friends, and everybody. Just support this team and see you in China.
Yun, and it's a wrap. Boom boom pow.
Buti na lang nandito ka, Coach. Pwede ka na talaga maging vlogger.
Pwede.
Pwede
Pero
lang.
wag lang yung Battle of the Vlogger na box.
Ang basketball lang.
Baka may umamon sa atin.
Yun talaga. Yun ang pinaka natin, goal natin, may humamon. Pag may humaman na sa'yo sa YouTube, game na, ibig sabihin, sikat na.
Malamang siguro pag may umamon.
Kaso, ang laki nito, huwag niyo hamunin. Thank you, Coach.
Thank you very much, Pau Pau. Pau Ka Sports, maraming salamat. And once again, please support Big Fundamental Basketball. Like and follow sa FB page.
Yeah.
Welcome to Pau Sports. Boom Boom Pau.
Again, but your mic, you put down your mic.
Sorry. Put down.
Let's clip it.
Clip it right here.